We read Welcome to a True City. Hi, my name is Sanjana and this is
Zachy.
Bacteria. Some bacteria give poisons that kill the cells in your body. When a lot of cells are hurt, you feel sick. Not all bacteria is bad for you.
Here are 4 main types of germs.
Bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa.
Here are some tips to not get sick. Cover your nose with a tissue. Wash your hands with soap and water. Cover your elbows with your hands too.
We both learned a lot from this article.